and gentlemen, please welcome the Nature Boy, Flair!
Woo! You got a new boy on the street. Let's not talk about it. Let's bring him out here and let's see what he's got. I live to do. Umaga.
Umaga? Umaga? What is this? Who is this?
Umaga is an animal of a different kind. He's big, he's nasty, he has no fear. The dangerous savage. This guy is a monster. He's scared. He's just scary.
And O'Driscoll is riding in pain.
This is destruction.
It was a spear tackle.
This is a savage. Umaga's a damn hero. The Samoan Spike right to the throat.
These things happen in the game of rugby.
Anything stop Umaga?
It was the single worst incident I've ever seen on a rugby pitch.
He's trying to break the future Hall of Fame. Come on!